Oh, hi there. My name is Vlad. I'm a real estate agent with Forest Hill. And today I want to give you information about an exciting new commercial project in downtown Oshawa. A lot of investors are overlooking that region, thinking that it has taken a major hit in the past 2.5 years. And it is true to a degree. First of all, this is not the only region that has taken a hit in the past 2.5 years. We observe pretty well the same dynamic in Peel, Halton Hills, York region. In fact, anything that's on the periphery of the city of Toronto has been depressed. But only when it comes to residential real estate. Commercial real estate in Durham is still going strong, especially given the limited availability of new construction. There are very few buildings that are coming up, and number two, very importantly, not a lot of high quality buildings in the area. So this is definitely a gem, and this is the gem that we're going to talk about right now. So first off, and it bears repeating, it is right in downtown Oshawa. Steps away from the largest family court in the province, making it a very appealing option for law professionals practicing family law. It is also around the corner from Ontario Tech University and a couple of minutes away from the City Hall. It is also a 5-minute drive to Highway 401 right from the office building, and it would take you about half an hour to get from the City of Toronto to downtown Oshawa and be in your office. The building itself consists of 4,000 square feet of new, modern offices behind a beautifully crafted facade. It features 3 flexible light-filled office floors, crafted to the highest standards for occupiers that want to be at the center of Oshawa downtown district. Created by HRBC Architectural Bureau, it combines design, architecture, and functionality to create a new landmark in Oshawa's downtown landscape. Now, let's talk about the financials. As you can see, in our calculations, we're using the same purchase price as on the listing, $1,399,000. In our calculations, we take into consideration the acquisition costs and all the carrying costs for the building. With the rents projected at $26 per square foot, this building is capable of generating a 10% yield in a 10-year scenario. This is unusually high for the GTA. To get more information about this exciting opportunity, click on the link to go to the site, which will give you a lot more information about the building itself, or simply call the number that's on the screen, and our team will be happy to answer any and all questions that you may have.